It's like I'm the only foreigner in the whole shop. People a little bit staring at me, but you can buy whole chicken with €3. That's pretty cheap. I lost Jenny somewhere. I have no clue where she is. I'm really interested to see that what is that section.
It's supposed to be gay, which is vegetarian.
Ah,
but she said it's crowded.
Yeah. It's Sunday shopping time. I can jump off in here. Hard thing is to find a parking spot for the motorbikes. There's so many people in here. Weather is scorching hot. I don't even know how high is the temperature. Inside they gladly have air conditioning.
I didn't understand what you're saying.
I don't know. I found a parking ticket from the parking lot, and I took it to the parking handler. I don't know, did they understand that I found it, but at least they took it. Yeah, let's go in.
It's still hot.
There's a restaurant in here. Sell clothing. Shoes. It's like I'm the only foreigner in the whole shop. People a little bit staring at me, but not much. Maybe they're just curious. It's a huge shop. Basically can find like anything you want to eat. Yeah.
Shopping later.
We came here to eat something, so maybe we head for the sushi, or I don't know yet. They also sell individually. We'll go with the salad. So much stuff. It's a pretty huge place. There's also chicken.
There's a whole chicken
You can buy a whole chicken from there also.
for 99,000.
Ah,
This is about
€3.
what? Oh, maybe no, 4 euro.
Yeah, about €3.
20 má. 100.
You can buy whole chicken with €3. That's pretty cheap. Let's see what I can find for me to eat.
You want bánh canh, like a soup, rice noodles like that.
I was thinking that they have a fried chicken in there.
Okay. Like,
Maybe have that. This one.
you want, you can choose any. Just grab something. I think it's about same price.
Yes. That have people been looking because it had been pressed down. It's about under €2. Plenty of food. There's a fish in there and continues that way. Shop continues that way really long.
I'll have this.
Next we're gonna go to get something to drink.
No, here. Want to try something over here?
No, I'm fine with that, but
Cô đóng cái này lại cho nó về không? Quên mất.
yeah. Go so get something to drink. I think we're heading to pay and then we go to eat. So we got our food.
Trao đổi tụi bên.
Roulette.
Ê, nó có bị nó có bị run rẩy không? À, đây, sao đây, sao?
Ice cream in here. But it's cheese balls.
Thiếu rồi, nó nói là ngưng rồi.
Lots of different kind of chips. We're in the spice section. Tuna things. Nor is big in Asia.
Mắm tôm.
And there's a dairy section and just bringing out some snacks. Water. Heineken. Usually in here they don't have any alcoholics in the cold. They have plenty of different kind of beers. Wine. And there's like hard liquor in here. Yeah. On this side, then more stuff. Tea tasting. Small milk. I lost Jenny somewhere. I have no clue where she is. What you looking for?
Instant. Ê, cái đó tự sôi ăn cũng được lắm á.
We buy
Lẩu tự sôi
soup
bò.
base.
I cannot
You cannot?
have those kind of vegetable in Finland. So
105.000 cho một phần lẩu nó bị chiên.
well, that's instant. So what do you expect?
I'm really interested to see that. What is that section?
It's supposed to be gay, which is vegetarian. I don't think they have it. We just did.
That way they have more chips, and then they have a clothing section, and there's kind of beauty section, tissues. Basically pretty affordable. Example, this is under €1 for this, and the toothpaste is like €1.50, about. Pretty affordable, everything in here. Now came in the utility section. They have quite a lot, everything, and they have also sell bicycles in here, and air fryers, Philips, basically everything, and some sports gear. Helmets. Like 2 million, that's about like how would I say, €70 about. That is also about 73 euro. Like under 100. Some helmets, bicycle helmets is like, what would I say, under €10. And also this is under €10.
Nón hả?
Basically you can get any household item from here. They also have, do they have TVs? I don't think they have TVs, but like air fryers, blenders, air conditioning machines, fans.
Oh really?
Rice cookers, hot plates. That looks familiar. I used to have this one. So we came to the upstairs, and they have like more restaurant in here. Yeah, they also have some children's playground in there and in there, and they have matcha ice cream. Thank you.